lawyer wo mu a so we dey mo yin see a implications na ba ko wi on say party for ma am dey nsem kokot nyina no ya na decision bi na say intention bi officer ya buotia no na e ma obi so kokot usually about to bring internal elections was say na assessing kai ya anye ne say mi de mi gite du ba bia ya na so obi nko bi timra bi ase e de bibi tu no kwa mu ma obi ate ne ho ase e ba sa nipa no kwa no o mo ni timu person de asem no kwa kokot ana me boa because wo na humra no wa cheche ni mama na te ase ama de adwuma in every setup no there should be a lawyer wo ho no mo a obetene mo nsem kan yemu mo decision taking mu mo enya no wo niam bibire ho no ni nyina e lawyer afei minutes atwe yekoye meeting na say ye ntwe de course unu se dachi minutes ya de a eboa paa wo adwumadie bi mu asem si a is enko refer to minutes no ye kan ye minia se me lawyer ni no enye bibia na na community mu na me kan mo se me si aka no a dachi emfa ma na ye nye de
am party
nti obi ya adwuma atwam be mfie aduenu achi ya friend say obeyi nsem bia no enu nti na company bia ye so wotia ye se wonya lawyer e de ndia party no se company this will be a lawyer unti me nipa 20 years am nko party ho bra e was and me na lawyer ni eni mo betete ni ma ta chance mti impo communication ensem bia ba na edu ba bia be hia se e be hia no as secretary no onim de ne yi na abotumi de aboa ama ya kan se mun kan se ani fi hon mo a party mabi e so de se omo wo haw na esese esiesie a mun ya se nyina de mana na tutu nyina e lawyer for tuma na me case ni kra de man ye sungun se me advantage ba ko so nse me chira de che atwetwe no so sa e be kan lawyer de no and I'm in area of specialization here, Professor. Secretary, my Ghana has been the Professor in the DBA. My child, me, almost 20 years. I'm your Chesini. My last place of a primary college. So, Nimsa. Oh, Mr. Before primary college 14 years. Hey, and the lawyer and a teacher, I am a secretary, and he says, Mr. Kasa.
I mean, yes. Beyond the way legal team near the contribution to the party in the Ashanti region. Apart from the legal team near other things, but I just want you to finish why it was a secretary, this, that, so that we can put it together near my party in my region, administratively near my Kuyi. And that's what
Bibi a beko krata mu bibi a ye kan e wo legal implications se lawyer ho dia se bi ni ho dia na se ne e mu bi lawyer ye ne ho adwene se wo ne ho be bofo de e na nye lawyer bi akeke lawyer pet no wa famu wasom a pet no o ti pet ni traditions ase o ti emu nipa ase o wa botre woni bi sonko ni nipa de ani die ene obuo e ma no so just say say to kromo ye wa say e command respect kakra o ana me boa nti say asem ebeba na me yi miti say me ko siesie nipa do no hu me so be bom mo si o even the other side kra no the political divide asem bana Sarfo Duku say me yi miti a me nyen man bibi say obi na obi hu me a obi gidigidi kra o ana say United Party benvo sim samo anu bana Sarfo lo ya mabamu a Jamo home ya ebuni ndi say odi makwala na wo fa so kwa odi mama me de way say conduct ye ho e wo region yimu ni Ghana ha nyina na de man ye dekora ne say ndc be yakono nyina no nyeda kudo hyase no ne nafam me bi atwam no say wo betimi pa UT because me yimi 2015 say me call parliamentary elections e bi kura di matem say lawyer ni de na o ko nyina man ndc obi kura papa bi say na we tozi kuro maguna na wo lawyer ni de say kan bibi na nga obugina me opani da chu beti ase enti yetimi yeti no ni ye ne sa no na ya kono me kanipa na me so omo aban this year say John obi wa no mbe so beti and this din but ini padomo afa yensem ene ahofama ide ya adwuma bo ni penti no party the numbers na ye ana me boa Then this beko so Akona dia. Any day ne be ya Akona no ebeko so. Ehia obi obedi ni mo ni because wenti.
Definitely.
My study work Asantememu 5 senior high schools. In Usted and I say Usted so my part-time ho. My last station in Prempeh College. 40 years. Till I'm going from Akona SDA. And just my Kumasi was legas no sa. Na Asantema come as well the Koto so much in so as director of communications. Na my lawyer is almost 13 years no so. Any pa my year juma and ya one moment ni bi no mo bi. Na se ne na wo se John twist here na what is it na and this boy you Mr. Secretary on to ba man this. Kan kura bi o juma na ma kwa so be kan kura no pay. Minim je be kan. Ne be kan what you say?
Is a masiri ni bi na masiri no.
And this no be ya kono more. Because nipa fere me bu me.
Said the idea ya kono dia. Obi a be share di ntia. Kono nti opeso aduane ya kono nkrofo.
Obi ya ko baby.
But na mumu no say their policy so kan ho bi.
No policy there say
the fact that be obey ye no. Me did say be abatoto niam yi no enye automatic say or say me trouble ba the band this.
So me can kono aspect na say ye
can. E bia be akono but me go beyond the akono.
No policy so there na
policies.
Ade akono so ni bi aye. What do you say?
Lawyer Samuel Duku.
Me ba no me combine niam e ble na dey ba o. And you just one aspect. Because of the person me dey different go abrim. 1996 Sunyana Congress me ko bi. Ye ngola be fire the bas be say. It ye nimu. The policies there, me kasem so. And this na was here no. Party BM. Any pa ya no wasem mo boy FM fo no a. Ono no bas ye appointment ya. O de man ko because me dey mintimi ne. Ana won ko pri bimpo. E bas ye si contract. En ye ya. Ono wonya bi. Almost na do so. Inti no me tran say na me say me ko pro bia no a. I say isun of FM no hadwene. Tidie be ne be ya saa dodo ofo no so no o menya amoa kakra da bia party no be yo makono no be to ma party no na me hu se enipa de hia dem na o hia enipa na so hunu odo a kuufo e wo ma enipa bia asase e ba ye no e bia benya kuo hodo miensa wo brabom yedi ka de ebusuan de na automatic e wo wa na obetum e bia na obusuan ye ana emodin say edu da hia dem amuntime mo itino bi ko ade no kodom esom bi sorry bi iparu no ma dwen no se me ho kire me a
no cry
na fe political party adu ni na from power no bi enim se be nya da chi be yi no onum se na ho kire no asa ne party for bo
no ya
in fact obi won mo na sam to no a the first point of call kwanya na busua abaka se me party for because bi a ye wasantema mo hoyi me be di ndisi ati na ye hu amanfo say musuo because me kuro wasa anan eni me fie no obi na wo ye ndisi ni e di hu say okra no
o sa
o na asa man na wo say na sa say no sa
o na sa wo free ho a wo ye ndisi ni dia na me bi za
sa bre no ye di akire no kra no ye hu say wo ye bonsam akola ko to wo ye bi wo ye busue ni
wako dia na wako fa ba fie
dia na di ba fie di me ka wo jase mo fa no enti ye na sa na edin
akwada we akwada bone na dia na o ye so dia na wako fa ba fie
enti ko ba sa na obusua no kra no he no ma reject o enti asam to wa won timi ka hye busua fo no ko ka hye wan disi fo ne
we traitor
ko ka hye wan disi fo no
we how dey abusua asam kra be kwa bone
exactly
ye fry
enti die ne be ya ma sa fo no a o ma busua kra won timi ko kaka o mo ha nchom no o mo beto my example bi ko ba bi ni campaign ya menam ya no ba bi ba me je lawyer me no won komo ana se die nkomo ozo e be se me di dwa na me yin sika kra ana me sika be say o se 500 cedis ana me se ni eje no enti imagine say my back my name penny for transit mo mi enkreti na emergency relief fund bi ento ho ne nsane nkose se kina bi endis ni a obonya mane bi o yare yesi metwa 10,000 na party for man 2,000 kra sebe ofiri mu mpa ne kra akoma betone it is our fund the making no am special me di bay
okay
am me for besto penny for aka time achi no e say e be hwe omom ni bi o party no asem to no obi a so bi usia 500 di adidwa na say ye nya be 50,000 ni e ko jino say ma mo sala ya menua e ma say be try
be ma serve be and sounds on the
oh na say John na
ebi get 3 200 cedis
na obi oton ahoma e de pamade
300
ohia sei we me console ko ton ahoma e de pamade
me say obi pebi dia fam kosia
ensuo
o de stable bi so ba bi no aton kakra na wa increase
sachet water man jigna traffic moton but ohia capital sei enti nanu so asem to obi oni ba bi o kasa asem yo timi me hu sei ene ye de na ye emergency relief fund bi nto said the here dem ene obi a na e be qualify yini mo brofo a omo de sa fon so na do so o party ni mu enti o china wo ha na ma bawura me of am office over we the NDC for ye create emergency fund ye de bo mo ni bie afakura we onye NDC ni no obeboa me ko contractor for say mo aba na ba power no mo na mo ayadododi o mo no nya bi yini pa wo mpa within the party ni omo a omo wo bibi smoke so nko bitumi abo obi wo ha we master ebi a we tailor obi tuma fa enkola ni enti say wo power see ni power no
I was a party
esi abo nkofo bi
now me fa say policy number 1 wa boss
policy number 1
nti fa delegates no omo mbetro aba no go through the policies mami number first one wa kan one say if a party no for the administrative aspect ne there wa born to family obetima ye ne ade nti ye mfa but the ebefa delegate ne ho no
the ebefa delegate
no one first one wa kan one
number 2
the fund and a second one
no hu say uko rounds wa the do no kan say ni party ye di akira enye say omo kan say eso obi a o they want to look out to be say anye bia no party ni bae no within the Jewish community no etimi afa nipa 5 e do mo dua ba bi ye build our capacity I empower more in such a manner say party ni kwa ho hia mo a saafo na eso mutimi esori e de hwe party ni na se don eti kro mo yi na me betimi hye nipa ba ko fe betimi bo ni kro mo ni na me bo
na true
etimi ma koma so de ne say se man for nusu sa de a omo so yesa 34 years ni lawyer ya no yenya obi a party na ba bi yi etimi de me se me kokko ma party man say your power see ni power no we identify nipa bi within every constituency the school no kwa yema nko ni yie yam building yie so be engineer pa ni mu ogina obo ma prim the auto doctor no special say o tina me nua be fa ka say me ko hok di cha doctor bi the yeso to kwa akonto pa no ayemo no the so be yi adwuma bi ya no ayemo no na ya identify asafo no in every constituency it is a num ne betimi a yemfo mu nko ba bi yi na da achi no se ba se campaign kro ni ye kwa omo ne bedi animu when ahwe ne ye tamu kama intimi go campaign ba bebre kom ya no they will ask you say yenko fo be na mo di omo gina yi a ye di person just antia ese ekoso to obama yes nipa we ni we enne omo so de so mo bo constituency na no so boa afoforo no bi na afoforo so boa because intimi fa nipa ni na say o boa omo yesu yin anim say political parties say you in power mpodi an say adodade bebre wo manamboa endi se yankofo no de omo de ba bi yi amomo yedu a omo na baba boa party no mpempi party no super power say kim ade ese na ko say ugo busa say na kan so mo bi wo mo ko so bi ani endi se bia guest house bia asante achim no guest house bi de yesiesi ho enim se krom ha du ba bi da ho de yie bakura de na ayi ye ne se de be ya e be hwe constituency no that you go position to 20 years kura no a process no botimi dia edu ba bia nso akura so ye frɛ obi se first cabinet me nkɔbɔ nso a de me ka o jase intimi ma yi ni se ye mpiki nipa bi ni mfom no ye ba bi yi se ye school se ye adwumasua se ye business de o person ye business no so no ye mo na mananye ni nyina no ye empower mo no mo ye du se be ya party na nko se be obi ko frɛ obi wo soro ho e na akɔpɛ moa obi ko frɛ obi wo ha e na akɔpɛ moa nti in short no what I'm saying is your fair share of the cake na that party no more na yejika no
okay
say your power see any power
okay I know your number 2 no
yes number 3 your positions are man for occupy deputy we other 8 omo executive omo play omo deputize key ayipo no I say even though a creation of constitution say yin safo no o betima tan sa 4 years no ye ntimi nhye da emo ni dwuma sonko bi ya party nim say ya no mo ya redundant say no wudi ne
me ti opa
other age executive co-opted members deputy woman as omo ya redundant omo to sa nje da nya dwuma bi ya omo nya bibia ti me ji ni say within the region no Sarfo ni yen betimi woni ma bro betimi but we on ma
yeah well, I agree with you
you betimi creative bi am omo aye na omo aye more relevant so what you see
yeah
and yes be at all say other age executive the whole 4 year period no onye bibia ti me woni ma bibia ma draw say Sarfo no e be mo e special
I see
no mo ehia platform
okay and you ever heard the next one?
Of course, makase a legal assistance there. Inipa e wo bi asi na no. Asem to wa. Baby do babo woni asem o.
Ehu hia.
Enti se makoye lawyer ni na me am sa etie and this legal team Ashanti region there. No over 70 lawyers there. Sa de ni me shemu kana. Lawyers na asan no mama various constituencies no. Ene bi be ka hono kra na e de bi so sa ade tu. Omo edika do mama constituencies no. Se de be ya se obi aye bibia onsuo so bibe hunu no asem to obi mpo a necessary yen ye bam say ebe twitwaje ni pano dia ese di homba for dia bo because yin name is legal service ni bo ya yedin kakra o man mu the party for say enne me maba legal assistance ebe ye more e dia mom so they make
I see
na e fast programs ya e di be gugu akwa mama party na ya kono say ye be di ani mo say don't any ebedo so now obia on agyen say ndisi you both no enya no ye happy no ontum na
ehona me now no because dey dey omo hwe say dey manya no wetimi assustini because ochina bi ekoto about 2028 na Ashanti region ndc votes kofem ndc elusi vote seats omunya kan ho nyina mo say elusi then it means that mono answani they are now on board. They are now feel a party in you being the secretary in the region. No, so that we must sustain the money to even go for other seats. I be a target here, and also be my boamo.
You the kind, you didn't pan a bibia. And go for no, omudi dumedino. Omoboama in your victory in ye. As I say to me, my woman, no. Akoma. Because the party energy. Until we ask unity no. How do we ensure unity? The kind. As I say, and she say, Papa, any emra bob party no by bia, my party ni bia, Akoma tona yembia no brebiano. Ye be sane ma no. Se be ya party no bufo bia yede. Ezimu. Obi ya nim say, and she say we na ho a, e bia yede to aba. And she we na ho a party ni nyasema ofa so ede yi ese ma san hye no e yeduma se be ya utiti ni pakon failure e na unit na open obey dey ubenya etos me no accessibility party for do no mo din koma om se ufra unya we u pese ko asem kura unya bi ese e bie ye kwa ye pono to e ma party for no say om ye part of the system ono party ni no odi betu no say se wo how po na person onya panic ka na ekwa beda ho easily se enko for ni na ititi omo yie a de ese ebo no man nyina ba bigina se na maka nyina no ye behwe of course the academy of central government no policies I did to come the end there and me kan was wa unim nti enya ko for ni na ye ko for ni na on board a e na yenso ni nipa bibia ye bia no ibetimi akwaje nti ye ne satisfied with the enya no so man for nyina grassroots no Akoma to muyem se de me kan ni nyina ye adwuma de a it's not friends say
omra
dwuma de e ko di ni ama ni oba
ahwe crowd
now no to community oya ndisi
no ye adwuma dada
nim komo ka se ye di e se nya hwe ni bufu a how do you persuade obi onya ndisi so o me kan my boss nkoso e be nko bo di ya mama Akoma to muyem yes ka go a accessibility many obi aka masama kire me ni di bu ama me se me ye party ni je beta akofem ni no mako hiesia mo want de ekoso ase simple say ye shebo kwa na za ne yi a ye be ko mo hu say e ko nse na ti o nti mo nti ase o mo ti ase sa no a nti information no be flow e be to na mako o mo na so na bre bia no ye nkofo na ready to work na yakono atwe afoforo na ba
I see. Kanzo onse na nko se de shechire ho
Matias
nti we no e betete so kakra
Matias
na ezi awa ye free ni de o ha na de obeshim
momfa
o ha na de obeshim
ja ha de
ayo fie o ha na de obeshim
many doctor ai some free no
ono so campaign ma pa o
na se no make sure say me nua na me before mo nim say me be die ni mo nyina be pan dis wo say jo to be ba wo nim to be ba
on so professional
no professor man over there
aba sinkum ai
bomba na inkum wo hoyi is a journalist of reputation idea inkum say Sarfo Duku be die ni say ni mo a inkum be ba
enye kra Evans kase be kase hey o ba ya endorsement na
ma me use of ade no
use of ade
so John say o share the evolution of your democracy and your political parties now and even the structure of our political parties and how the contemporary electorate see or perceive a political party now. It was a teamy influence the structure no. What's your position be to say secretary and I say trotro for the a political party, and here you share the most dominant party in our fourth republic, a MPP ni NDC. Say John, me nkwa imagine mo no. I was a trotro ni or trotro for the either an MPP or an NDC party no. Bia or Emrenim for
Osamo.
Yes.
And missing command I mean no be
you see say Ghana for no adwen no ne senior moto abanese sound. Who say NDC those days no more propaganda secretary. Have you asked yourself didn't you make propaganda secretary in a free hall? Look, the name propaganda it depends how obviously for you so no. But in the minds of every Ghanaian no onimse propaganda the entronkwa no. But the meaning of propaganda enyentro a similar to a akin and as synonymous to a PRO. It would say you are not only looking at the negatives of an institution or representing or positives in nkwa and nkwa na catch for, but the positives not so nye entro. Yes, white propaganda. It's positives no nyentro. You are odia won share negatives no obi pa on ka negatives na fa ho na momo de ne say un say PRO de o share positive no share negative na negative no share kwan be fa so be communicate na a positive but propaganda the positives in kwan na wo. But over years man for say propaganda no and omo yi free ho minim de nto yi free ho but my dream say no come with no yi free ho say John secretary obetro sometimes be or asembe timi aba e wo say utro na o react and na utro defend it. Sometimes be or free legal team member be kura na obi are busy but on here almost advice na dey atro ade no because unye expert or that field no we say every year political setup no and a construct no every secretary, when I the chief executive of the party, the secretaries are more powerful than the chairman.
Yeah.
The secretary are always powerful. I say, here in the case of NDC, no, say Sedun Ketia, ne Jenny, baby of no money so powerful, but difficulty is also equally powerful. Yeah. But secretary, they are powerful.
Structure.
It's a secretary, no, and you be or what that legal background on what. Na say BBSC, na say also falling on the legal team always. Ontimi preemptive BB and na enye we BB ontimi enye action bi kura ansana a chain legal team no reinforcement na ba. Baby are no party be catch in terms of a reaction and then information flow. It immediately for me Lawyer Duku the minimum say no ye kotoko. What the name ni nshia. So me has ni
but you see he has been communicating for the party as well.
Anytime you am person nim gu ase e wo no dey say me has ni me mom pipe ma say there be eno dey. Yes akura dey na me nim has me ye. So but honestly for me I think he should be the right person for the position. Okay. Because it's a secretary position. Okay. And you see, the point is that what's also war regional. enye origin. So it pressure na e wo so no eso. It for me the right person for NDC for no sir secretary ade no should be him or any other lawyer.
Yeah. Maybe. But I say thank you. Evan Sinkum. I don't know. And the just say actually kunkum. Abono tofa. Abono tofa. Crow. I mean, you see, a argument at home. Say never say can argument. I mean, me post flyer no. A honor will be the starting. Then part of person test whether say me how secretary no adwumati and observe I didn't na enye say secretary na any other person.
So can adwuma some time and react to that.
Oh yeah, why react to that na dey. Dr. Samuel Free. Oh, may we nya fe
Lawyer Duku ayi.
Agenda wonye.
Oh, agenda cry here.
Na woni mizamu aye me ho agenda.
Say mo boy suliya.
Ono na wanya ye ntami.
Oh, but
dey we no
say me man kasa kura na say ofakwa be kasa na lawyer be family time kura me pe. Me pe.
Okay.
Because Lawyer Duku die. Lawyer Duku die. You say bia wotia na make me say we ya aware of it say the party should reward him. The party members should reward this man because a Juma Wayama party ni pa legal issues ne and you even some
that's what can say also almost 70 and 90
70 lawyers.
That day no a copy of Supreme Court say elections are won at the polling stations. No regime on the implementers are there no ba.
What say
lawyers, college centers, lawyers.
Because many do
training on my man grow and you are agents near the
yes. It is John.
Yeah.
Me dear secretary ne dear. Me party be a munukoma. There will be a wire lawyer to the party. 1 year Jumama party for years. Okay. The commitment to the youth. Me about I'm a student to be called home Friday or Thursday. Also no pen or wunyano. No, go watching on the chambers. And I'm saying more papa we are mudin who grow ya mo sorry hana. You have to do something for him. Or a student or back I say my be ban ho. Or be interviewing about in the research. Okay. And I make catch and say, Master, you people are in the party, you are disturbing this man, sir. More reward na this time. Come here, what the pan and the say, let's reward the man.
Okay.
The man has been good to the party, has been loyal to the party.
Okay.
Inti omo onyeyi na omo ntuma. Me a me campaign. O ko be akra me.
And they say we dey na campus now. No the campus.
Oh campus. Oh me campaign man. Me campus.
I see. Enti council.
Yes sir.
Say you of our house so. Of our back akra na.
Say loyalty ya me hu.
Yeah.
Lawyer said it. In fact, we share our small this year. He said, "Bibi bana say, they say, we are omodi man nyese sikazimbia o. Osan kobre kra mo. Osan kobre kra mo. But o hwa ade ni yi na say itimi gina ya eboa. O ma we say itimi hihye parties ni na party no say professional. And itimi enhance democracy ni. As a Ghana watra obi ade buga na efemu ha na aba affect o man no nchichire ni ha. It is such a fine brain there, so oba no aba boy say ma kwanti.
Right, me that's it. Auntie Kanzo, you be the first phase where part 1 of your comedy. Me sure say prepare so no. You be sign and you know why. But na sa kotoko say kotoko adwuma no.
Say me dey bawi.
We dey bawi. Okay. Go be so concern message about and say, we a lawyer. Now say kotoko adwuma. Now say for party adwuma ma wan just ade no.
Now we can say lawyer for adwuma doso. Me say ma be me chamber Akoma High Street. Of St. Edward's Clinic. Sarfo Duku legal consult. Na me adum. Lawyer for 15 no mo adwuma. He also be party office.
You see.
And the
and say
we party adwuma no. There are men in place and women in place there. Abrebiya no. Anyhow.
Okay.
Say you na party adwuma ya nyai. You call na party for case baso is taking the priority.
But say kotoko so ba say bomo ibia.
Kotoko de say me management jo, me management jo. Bibia say me ye no. Say friends say e case am ye na me management ko so me am take upon myself. Am ye. What you say?
Okay.
Ndi kotoko ne ye dia. Chatene given time bia no. When you take calls upon us, ye be kwa ye.
Okay.
The
future be na de new management. New management ba afuto be na de mom ne nwi.
Enye party management say omo wachire no mo hu de lapses ya akoso nyina nti omo correct nyina na ye nyina enta omochi supporters no so no ye nyina enta omochi mo bi nka say me pe we ya mfa na ma me pe we di no because we don't worship individuals kotoko ne ye nyina ye dia pese ye yie ti ye nyina ka mo ne tiny board we ti a me gidi say we hear they almost start na they are prepared to spend see I go for Bruni coach I go for director of football so Bruni abadi na just say omo ye will say omo the investment can see a better team no mama na kono instead of akan no am na more professional na de no akoyie no na ye nyina ye pe we kotoko anko ye na party ko ye kwa no a ye mu bi no ye mu ba ye be gina e se nya no mi no nyina because political party ko ye na football no so ko ye a na ni je na na no me go prisons no Kumasi prisons akwa ba ko hu me am di teacher was lawyer ana kotoko mo ye sa Musa ni yetime ye ni kakra wa ha da no business ni nyina hu say kotoko ni ye ya
o manage
impact o mo positively.
Okay. Answer. Yeah, that's the other.
Me da me wo famu a. Any doctor free as e wo any ngum.
Yes.
For their compliments.
Yes.
Me me timi nyame de. Ma ye ma ho bo se me som no de. Me som. Na dako ba bia me obi an mo se me disappoint. Omo.
Therefore, Lawyer Sarfo Duku ena motening kana no pay and in a dim common on D. Yabesha na fee. Fufu party no ba.
Fufu. Akoma from Fufu party. The only one you are. Free.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Fufu. Akoma from Fufu party. The only one you are. Free.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Right, I'm just for you that's it. Na yenko yenim ebreno ko o share ebreno kasima na no kron abo. Bisamwa. Pacha also ho ye de.
Oh nyame adom me ho ye pa.
E de yankopon ase. Yesu so haye. Haye pa na ja. Na what you nsem bebre na ba wo.
Yeah.
Baby abefa bia nso yetimi de ko. Delegate system and Kusiaba. He said, Obisi in Kanjan say, we hear Kusia. Inti omre bi. Inti no. Inti ever nothing. Inti Bizamwa maybe I'll do yes, okay. The Constitutional Review Committee report. Government government or their response to it. And your Supreme Court to the so delegate system. And I think so the baby said in time close so dear. And it's any no for baby yani a chrono. If you are a imudia white paper your friends saying green book more.
Yellow book.
So yellow book.
Oh, you know. Yeah, I see.